1990 to Jaguar XJ220, who let the cat out the bag. Ladies and gentlemen, buckle up for a journey into the past. Today, we're diving deep into the world of British automotive excellence, specifically the iconic 1990 to Jaguar XJ220. The XJ220 was born out of a dream. Jaguar had initially planned a V12-powered supercar, but economic realities forced a change of plans. Instead, they opted for a more attainable V6 engine and performance. Despite the smaller engine, the XJ220 didn't disappoint. It boasted a top speed of over 217 miles per hour, thanks to twin turbos that boosted its power to an impressive 540 horsepower. Design and features. The XJ220's design was a masterpiece of its time. Its sleek lines and aggressive stance made it a head-turner on the road. Inside, the cabin offered a blend of comfort and luxury, with high-quality materials and advanced technology for the era. Production and legacy. Due to a combination of factors, including economic challenges and changing market trends, the XJ220's production run was relatively short. However, its legacy lives on. It remains one of the most sought-after classic cars, a testament to Jaguar's engineering prowess and design flair. The 1990 to Jaguar XJ220 is more than just a car. It's a symbol of an era, a testament to British automotive ingenuity. Its combination of power, luxury, and timeless design has cemented its place in automotive history. If you're a fan of classic cars, or simply appreciate automotive excellence, the XJ220 is a must-see. Share your thoughts on this iconic vehicle in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more exciting content.